Good day, everybody. So today we're going to fire off the small block 327, the engine we assembled for our friend Mr. Div. It still needs to be cleaned and painted, but first we want to fire it, check for any oil leaks, and then later on I'll plumb a radiator to it, and I'll probably do the camshaft braking. I just want to fire it to see if it can come loose a bit, as I don't want to just get all the RPMs in this thing and run it and maybe potentially damage the bearings, as it might be a bit tight. Let's take it from there. I already stabbed my distributor, I already primed the oil. Let me just put my lightning hoses on before we whirl over. I normally go from long to short, longer being the left hand side of the engine, shorter being the right hand side of the engine. Just make sure it clips on here. Pretty new wires, pretty wires. Sometimes you gotta enjoy it. Alright, this has a standard camshaft, so it should be 1.8 for free. Okay, 4. Just get it away from the exhaust manifolds. 4, 3, 6, 5, and 7 and 2. Right, I'm not going to put power to the distributor just yet, as I want to turn this thing and check for proper oil pressure, as it's a brand new rebuilt inside core. Just do this. So before we even attempt to fire, we'll do that, and I'll have to change out this carburetor because it's froze out. It's completely locked up. We'll take it from there just now. Let me finish all the wiring quickly. Alright, let's whirl her over a bit. Just crank her over a bit to see if she's got oil pressure before we even attempt to do anything else. We've got oil pressure, like you can see here. The gauge did climb. We've got oil pressure. Now we can move to the second part. We've got oil pressure. Perfect. Now let's go to the second part of the startup. Let's hook our petrol, because this is a new HEI distributor. I don't see a problem why it shouldn't function. So let me hook up the petrol to the carburetor, and let's just hear if she'll make some noise. All right, like you can see, our wonderful friend, Mr. Div's engine is running. Oil pressure, everything's perfect. Engine sounds good. Best part is I don't even have to adjust timing, nothing. And it's got oil pressure. That's 100%. I think he's going to be happy with this one. Just the cam needs to be broken in, and there she can go. Thank you everybody for watching. I know it's quite a short video. Peace out.
Don't fire it, my brother. Let me hear.
Let's start it up.
Mooi.
Yes.
Good.
There you go.
Sounds very healthy, mate.
That's a good motor. I hope you're going to enjoy it for many miles to come.
And the pressure on which is like good.
Yes, the pressure is also it's at 60 psi. When you rev it up about 80 psi, so it's quite good. Like you can see, fresh oil, everything brand new in it.
Can I lap it?
And that's a proper oil, eh?
Yeah, that's a proper
What
oil.
oil did you put in?
I put Antex oil in it.
Antex.
Yeah, from Devil. That's almost $1,000 now. But
Yo.
yeah,
That's the bottom of 5 liters.
with the additive. With the additive.